Now we'll take a look at two more examples of adding rational expressions with like denominators. And since the denominators are the same, to add or subtract the rational expressions, we add or subtract the numerators and the denominator stays the same. So for our first example, since both denominators are 4x cubed, it will stay 4x cubed. And then we'll add the numerators, so we would have the quantity 12x squared plus 9 plus the quantity 5x squared minus 9. Notice how I included parentheses around each numerator. I highly recommend doing this for both addition and subtraction, even though it's not required for addition. So now we will clear the parentheses so we can think of distributing a positive 1 if we want, which isn't going to change anything. So this would give us 12x squared plus 9 plus 5x squared minus 9 all over our common denominator of 4x cubed. And now we'll combine the like terms in the numerator. So again, our denominator is going to stay the same, 4x cubed. And we have 12x squared plus 5x squared, that would be 17x squared. Then notice we have a positive 9 minus 9, that would be 0. So we have 17x squared over 4x cubed. But now we do want to give our answer in simplified form. Notice the numerator and denominator do share factors of x. To show this, we could write 17x squared as 17 times x, and we could write 4x cubed as 4 times x times x times x. X over x simplifies to 1 here and here, leaving us with 17 divided by 4x. And to simplify x squared over x cubed, we could have also used the quotient rule for exponents. Let's take a look at our second example. Again, notice both denominators are 15, so the denominator is going to stay 15. We'd have the quantity x plus 7 minus the quantity negative 2x plus 7. And again, with subtraction, we do want to include these parentheses to make sure we subtract this entire quantity. And to do this, we'll now clear the parentheses. Again, we can think of distributing a positive 1 here, but because of the subtraction, we can think of distributing a negative 1 here, which is going to change the sign of each of these terms. So again, the denominator is going to stay 15. We're going to have x plus 7 from the first numerator. And then here, negative 1 times negative 2x will be a positive 2x, so plus 2x. And here we'll have a negative 1 times a positive 7, that's negative 7, so we'll have minus 7. Looking at the numerator, notice how we have plus 7 minus 7, that would be 0. And we also have 1x plus 2x, that's going to be 3x. So we have 3x over 15. But 3x and 15 do share a common factor of 3. To show this, we can write 3x as 3 times x, and we could write 15 as 3 times 5. 3 over 3 simplifies to 1. So our simplified difference is x divided by 5. We'll look at two more examples in the next video.